Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up indicators for TradingView. If you're new to TradingView or just getting comfortable with technical analysis, indicators are tools that help you interpret price action, momentum, and trends more clearly. They can overlay directly on your price chart or appear in a separate panel, giving you a structured way to read the market. Whether you're analyzing trends for a Shopify store or tracking price movements in the stock market, indicators can enhance your analysis and guide your decisions. By using them effectively, you can spot opportunities and better understand the forces driving market movements. First, look at your chart and head to the top left of the interface. Click on the button labeled Indicators. Depending on your layout, it may also read Indicators and Strategies, but it's the same place. This opens a panel where you'll find everything you need. The Indicators section is where TradingView offers a vast library of tools that can suit any trader's style, from beginner to advanced. This gives you the flexibility to customize your charts with whatever tools you need for your analysis. Next, use the search bar to look up the type of indicator you want. You can search by name, like Moving Average, RSI, or NMAXD, or by concept, such as trend, momentum, or volatility. Typing a few letters will instantly filter results, making it easy to find the right tool, even if you're not sure of the exact name. This search area helps you focus on the kind of signal you want to see on your chart. For example, if you're analyzing market trends, you might want to use a moving average or RSI, which are great for spotting overbought or oversold conditions. If you're looking for volatility, Bollinger Bands could be the tool for you. The search bar streamlines this process, allowing you to quickly find what best fits your trading needs. From here, you have two main sources to choose from. TradingView's built-in indicators are the defaults. These are reliable, widely used, and well documented. They're great for classic strategies and for learning how indicators behave. Built-in indicators like the moving average, RSI, or MACD have been tested by traders worldwide and are excellent for beginners looking to build a solid foundation in technical analysis. You'll also see a Community Scripts section. These are created by other users and range from simple enhancements to advanced, highly customized tools. Community indicators can be powerful and innovative, offering unique insights into the market. However, they can vary in quality and complexity. When browsing these, consider the description, the author's notes, and how many people use or like the script so you have context before adding it to your chart. Community indicators can be a great way to access creative strategies or tools you might not find in the default options. But always ensure you understand what the script is doing before applying it to your chart. Once you find the indicator you want, simply click it and it will immediately appear on your chart. If it's an overlay, like a moving average, you'll see it plotted on the price candles. If it's something like RSI, it will show in its own panel beneath the main chart. You'll notice the indicator's name appear on the chart, so you can easily keep track of what you're viewing. The default settings are applied automatically, so you can start observing how it behaves right away. This is the perfect opportunity to see how the indicator reacts to the price action in real time. For example, if you're using a moving average, you'll instantly see how it smooths out price data, helping you identify potential buy or sell signals. And that's all. You've added an indicator to your TradingView chart. Keep your setup clean and purposeful by choosing tools that match your trading approach. It's essential to pick indicators that complement your analysis and help you make informed decisions. For instance, if you're focusing on momentum trading, you might want to use momentum indicators like the RSI or stochastic. But remember, indicators are there to help you make sense of price, not replace disciplined analysis. While they provide valuable insights, they should always be used in conjunction with a solid trading strategy and proper risk management. Thanks for watching and enjoy your charting. With these steps, you'll be able to add and use indicators to gain a deeper understanding of market trends, helping you trade smarter and more effectively.